Hey my beautiful creatures, you all are welcome back to our channel. How are you all doing? If you're new here, this is your girl RosesGlam. So today is our day 7 workout challenge. If this is what you want to watch, stay put, don't go away. But before we hop into that, if you've not subscribed to our channel, please kindly hit on that subscription button right down there, subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to notify you each time I upload a new video. So let's just do it. Okay, I'm going to first of all set up the 5 minutes. Is usually 5 minutes to warm up, and after this I'm going to do 5 minutes on a place run. I stand in one place and run for 5 minutes, only 5 minutes. Okay, we're done. We set it up already. And what I got today is 664. Okay, normally I target 700 in 5 minutes. Yesterday 549 or thereabout. Today is 664. workout challenge. Don't mind the camera is shaking because of the windy. Thank you so much. I do appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you for your support. Once again, if you've not subscribed to our channel, please consider hitting on that subscription button right and get subscribed. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell to notify you each time I upload a new video. Thank you so much. You know what? I will catch you up again by tomorrow, our day 8, okay? Zero excuse. Nothing is going to stop me at this. I must complete it. 30 days workout challenge. Thank you so much. You know what? RosesGlam loves you all. Thank you once again.